Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Susan and this is Skullhead, and today I am going to show you how to make a simple Alfredo sauce that you can use with fettuccine, linguine, scalloped potatoes, a seafood Alfredo, chicken Alfredo. So it's a very easy recipe that you can use, and it's fantastic in taste, and takes you about 20 minutes to make. So let's roll the intro and we'll get started. So with this Alfredo sauce, now I have done this sauce in a previous video, which is my lasagna roll-ups. But the sauce is so versatile that I wanted to do a separate video just on the sauce itself. Now, I used to never make Alfredo sauce because I was afraid to make Alfredo sauce. And the reason I was afraid was because, you know, you're mixing your creams and your cheeses and you know, I wasn't even sure the ingredients as to what to make. And so I used to just buy my Alfredo sauce. I stopped doing that because I found this recipe and it's such a simple, easy. I'm almost feeling stupid for not making my own sauces previously. And what's nice about it is I know exactly what's going in to my sauce. I don't have any preservatives in there. It's everything that I already have in my pantry or in my fridge. So let me show you how I make my Alfredo sauce, and it's so quick and easy. So what you're going to start with is half a cup of butter. Now you're going to add 2 cups of half and half. And keep stirring it so that you're not burning the milk. Add 1 teaspoon of powdered garlic. Add half a teaspoon of parsley. Add half a teaspoon of basil. You're also going to need half a teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Now you're going to add 1/3 of a cup of dried Parmesan cheese. Now it's either pre-grated or you can grate it yourself, so fresh grated as well, but 1/3 of a cup when it's finely grated like that. Now the secret ingredient into making a really tasty Alfredo sauce is you want to add a pinch of nutmeg. And you're probably thinking, ooh, nutmeg, but it's a real game changer when it comes to flavor. Now you're going to want to let it simmer for a little bit so that it thickens up, and then it's all done. That's it. That's how easy it is to make the Alfredo sauce. You can use it again in any of your recipes that require an Alfredo sauce. Now be sure to check out some of my other videos as well. And don't be afraid to subscribe and click that notification bell so that you know exactly when I upload another video. Until next time, have a great day. Bye-bye for now.